In this video, I will show how to log in Steam. So guys, if you forget password, so enter your email address here. And here click on help, I can't sign in. Select I forgot my Steam account name or password. Enter your email address or phone number. Fulfill this captcha. Then search your account. Now click on email and account verification code to this email address. Now open your email address. Now open this first link. Now click on resume recovery. Now select your account. Then reset your mail password. I will select reset my password. Then change password. Now click on sign in to Steam. And enter your password. So this is the way guys you can log in your Steam account if you forget password. Thanks for watching. Show like and subscribe this channel.